ABCD given, right on, faster right.
Yes.
Given ABCD is a rectangle.
ABCD is a rectangle.
ABCD is a rectangle. And what are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD, DA? P, Q, R, and S are midpoints of sides. Midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD, and DA, respectively. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So to prove PQRS is a rectangle, we need to prove adjacent sides are equal. To prove, next write down, to prove. Okay, to prove PQRS is a rhombus, we need to prove adjacent sides are equal. Already it is a rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, right? AB equal to BC, CD equal to D. Already you know that, right?
Yes.
So to prove this PQRS is a rectangle, rhombus, we need to prove adjacent sides are equal, right?
PQRS.
To prove PQRS is a rhombus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to prove PQRS is a rhombus, we have to prove that a pair of adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides. You take PQ equal to PQ equal to PS or PQ equal to QR. Which one? You take here PQ equal to QR. Okay, so we need to prove PQ equal to PR. So for this, I am taking one construction. Join the diagonal BD. To prove this, they should draw this like this. Join the diagonal BD. Write one construction, please. Construction join diagonal BD. Join the diagonal BD. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next proof.
Proof.
Just a minute. Okay. Next one is proof. First, we need to prove PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. So whatever we have done in first and second question, similarly you have to do here also. So we need to prove PQRS is a parallelogram. For that, I am taking the PS are the midpoints of the sides AB and AD. So you take the BD is a diagonal, right? BD is a diagonal, and your PS is parallel to BD, and also QR also parallel to BD. Now you see, you take the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, what are the midpoints here we have? P and S are the midpoints of the side AD and AB and AD. AB and AD. Okay. Then the line joining the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, and also it is off of the third side. Right. In triangle ABD, write down. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, what are the midpoints we have
P
here?
and S.
P and S are the midpoints of the sides. S are midpoints of the sides. Midpoints of the sides.
AB and BD.
AB and AD. AB and AD. AB and AD respectively. Okay, from midpoint theorem, the line joining the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Means here PS is parallel to BD and PS is off of the BD. Let us say this is equation 1. Okay, so you take the half of the next half triangle. What is the next of the triangle we have here?
Triangle
This
BCD.
is the triangle
BCD.
Okay, in triangle BCD, what are the midpoints we have here? Q and
R.
The line joining the midpoints of these two sides of a triangle QR is parallel to the third side, that is BD. And you write here, so this is from the midpoint theorem, MPT. In brackets, since from midpoint theorem. Okay, in the same way, you take this triangle BDC or BCD. In triangle BCD, what are the midpoints we have here?
Q and R.
Q and R are midpoints of the sides. Midpoints of the sides. Q is the midpoint of the side BC and R is the midpoint of the side CD. BC and CD respectively. BC and CD respectively. Okay. Now, so now we can write this. QR is parallel to BD and QR equal to half of the BD. So let us say this is equation 2. And since this is from midpoint theorem. Okay, from 1 and 2 can I say now? From 1 and 2. Now you see from 1 and 2. Can I say now? This PS is parallel to BD and QR also parallel to BD. Everyone look at it. PS also parallel to BD, QR also parallel to BD. Can I say now this PS is parallel to QR? And now both are equal to half of the BD. PS also equal to half of the BD, QR also equal to half of the BD. And can I write now PS equal to QR? Here we can write things which are equal to the same thing are equal to each other. So you write here things which are equal to the same thing are equal to each other, or the lines which are parallel to the other line, same line, are parallel to each other. So therefore we can say that here PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. So to prove this adjacent sides are equal, you take the two triangles P. What are the sides we need to equal to prove equal? PQ and QR. Now you see PQ and QR lies in which triangle? PQ and QR lies in which triangle? PQ and QR lies in PBQ triangle and CQR triangle. Okay? Write down. Next triangle PBQ and triangle RCQ. Okay, now everyone please look at it. This is a triangle PBQ, right? And one more is RCQ. And these two triangles we need to prove congruence. Okay? These two triangles we need to prove congruence. Okay? The red color mark the triangles. Then how do you prove these two triangles are congruent? Write down. Yes. In triangle PBQ. Now you take here in triangle
PBQ.
Just a minute. In triangle PBQ and RCQ. Okay. Then already you know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. AB equal to CD. Okay. Then half of the AB you make it like this. Half of the CD. Half of the AB is equal to PB, right? Half of the CD is equal to RC. Already you know that. P and R are the midpoints of the sides AB and CD. Okay. So can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So PB equal to RC. Now we have proved PB equal to RC. This you write here opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. Okay, then P and R are the midpoints of the AB and CD. P and R. Midpoints of side AB and CD. Okay, let us say this is 1. Now, can I say now angle B equal to angle C, which is equal to 90 degrees? Why? Because in the rectangle, each vertex angle is equal to 90 degrees. Write down here. Angle B is equal to angle C, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, already it is rectangle. Rectangle, so in rectangle, the angle B is equal to angle C, which is equal to 90 degrees. Vertex means this one is C is the vertex and B also vertex. And what is this angle? 90, and this is also 90. Okay. So angle B equal to angle C equal to 90 degrees. And now you see BQ equal to QC. Can I say BQ equal to QC? Q is the midpoint of the side BC. You write the reason here also. Rectangle, each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Each angle of each angle of rectangle or angle of rectangle. Each angle of rectangle is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Otherwise, you write here angle of rectangle. Okay. Now, can I write this BQ equal to QC? BQ is here. So CQ, you write CQ. BQ equal to CQ. Why it is? This is a Q is a midpoint of side BC. Okay. Now you see side angle side. This is side, this is angle, and this is side. Okay. From SAS congruence, can I say now? These two triangles are congruent. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Write down here.
Triangle.
So triangle, you write here.
Yes.
So triangle PBQ is congruent with triangle RCQ
By SAS combination.
by SAS. Side angle side by SAS rule. Triangle PBQ equal to triangle RCQ. Okay. Now can I say from CPCT?
Yes.
Adjacent sides of adjacent sides means PQ equal to RQ. Can I say now? This PQ is equal to RQ. PQ is equal to RQ. Let us say this is CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay. So therefore, we proved adjacent sides equal, opposite sides also equal. Therefore, it is a rhombus. Therefore, PQRS is a rhombus. Why it is rhombus? All sides, adjacent sides and opposite sides. All sides are equal. So write there. Therefore, since all sides of PQRS are equal. Okay, therefore PQRS is a rhombus. Hence it is proved.